make some photo frame. I made before my photo frame out cardboard, and we're gonna use that photo frame to make some differenter. I'm gonna use some filt and make some bunny for children's photographs or to give to somebody else. So let's get started. I have my photo frame here, what I did before, what I made before. I cut some out my concept for my bunny. This is the head. I measured how big my frame was and how small I want to work with it. The head. Here comes the head. This is the body with the legs on, and this comes here. We're gonna cut it out about the filt. I have the filt here, and what we're gonna use by the legs is we're gonna use just like pants and making pants. And I have here a little bit material in this color, in this pattern. And later we're gonna make some ears for my bunny. Okay, let's get started with the first things. The head and the body. I'm gonna cut it out from the filt. This will be first what we're gonna do. Okay, I have here stifts. This is for using for only for materials. You can, it's a washing. You can washing out the stift if you want. It's washable, and it is with cold water you can wash it out. Okay, we're gonna cut it out. Okay, I have my heads now, 2 pieces. Now what we're going to do is to make the body. Also 2 pieces, because we're going to stitch it up later with the hand. Okay, here I have the legs and the body. Okay, we're gonna do the same here with this, and I do it off camera. I'll be back. We're gonna stitch this up to make only one pants. We're gonna do it with the hand. It's an easy way to do. You can also use a sewing machine if you want, but this is here I have my pants from my bunny. I stitched up. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna piece them together just like this to make some one. But first I'm gonna do the face of my bunny. This is what we're gonna do first. Black thick thread to make some eyes. Which you see I have made some 2 eyes. Now we're gonna use it for the mouth. Okay, and this is the mouth. Got some ears from the sides. Okay, I'm gonna stitch them up just like this on both sides. You can make them if you want so, if you want wider or smaller, you can choose how you fit them. I want them just like this. Stitch them on the other side. It's not on the front where the eyes are. Now we're gonna front this inside, because we're gonna put this one over here and we're gonna not see where it was stitched. Stitched up, okay, both sides. In my because this face is coming up just like this on the front. Now you see the ears, and the body is coming up just like this. How cute is that? Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stitch up the body. Just like this. Now we're gonna stitch up everything together. Just like this. Start here. Okay, and we'll finish this bunny. And what we're gonna do is now wanna glue this bunny up just like here. And I'm gonna make some balloons from filt here and a little bit here. And some balloons. Let's finish that. Let's do that. In 3 colors. One balloon, and this is the second balloon, and we're gonna do this color. And this third balloon, just like that. And when we get my bunny hair up, make some thread here, just like he holding, or she or he is holding balloons. Okay, let's get some gluing up. Textile glue. This is just like for materials to glue them up. And what we're gonna do is I have here thread, a stick thread. Cut a little bit off. What I do is a little bit of glue. Balloons just there. I'm gonna measure it up where I want. And we're gonna glue my bunny to back. And what's cut this up. So and our frame is done. Look how cute is that. Okay, this is the final product. Look, it's great. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs. Thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.